To automate DigitalOcean Droplet backups, you need to understand the importance of backups and the tools available to achieve this. DigitalOcean provides a snapshot feature that allows you to create manual backups of your droplets. But automating this process is crucial for data protection and business continuity. First, you need to create a DigitalOcean account and set up your droplet. Once your droplet is up and running, you can start the backup automation process. DigitalOcean does not have a built-in automated backup feature, but you can use their API to create snapshots automatically. To automate backups, you will need to use a tool like cron jobs on your droplet or an external service. You can write a script that uses the DigitalOcean API to create snapshots of your droplet at regular intervals. This script will need to be run as a cron job to automate the process. Another option is to use a third-party service that integrates with DigitalOcean to provide automated backups. These services often have a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to set up and manage your backups. When setting up automated backups, it is essential to consider a few key factors. You need to decide how often you want to create backups, how long you want to keep them, and where you want to store them. It is also crucial to test your backups regularly to ensure they are working correctly and that you can restore your data when needed. In addition to automating snapshots, you should also consider setting up automated backups of your database and files. This will ensure that all your data is protected and can be easily restored in case of a disaster. To set up automated database backups, you can use a tool like MySQLDump for MySQL databases or PG_dump for PostgreSQL databases. These tools allow you to create backups of your database at regular intervals. In conclusion, automating DigitalOcean Droplet backups is a critical step in protecting your data and ensuring business continuity. By using the DigitalOcean API or a third-party service, you can easily set up automated backups of your droplet, database, and files. Remember to test your backups regularly and consider factors like backup frequency, retention, and storage when setting up your backup automation process.